The reason why I joined Elite Mentoring was to gain further acceleration with my real estate rescue business, and it's definitely delivered way beyond my expectations.
We had someone there, our coach, who was mentoring us, holding our hand every step of the journey. So they helped us from everything from looking for deals, making sure that everything was structured well, to just generally being there for us, reassuring us, making sure that we were doing the right things. They were there to offer that support and help us out when possible.
The reason I joined Elite Mentoring was because I needed access to a coach that could shortcut me from A to Z without me having to reinvent the wheel. What I have achieved, I have bought one property through a mortgagee in possession. I made a net profit of $97,000 in my first deal over 3 months.
Since joining the Elite Mentoring program, I have started on a project to do dual occupancy on my principal place of residence. I'm expecting to make 1.6 million profit from that. I'm moving then on to a second deal where I'm going to build 3 townhouses, and I expect to make 2 million from the sale of those 3 properties.
We probably estimate about $200,000 in profits, plus we've also do rentals, and we're turning over about $100,000 a year in rentals.
The results I've gained from joining the Elite Mentoring program has been making over $500,000 in profit net with over 6 projects just with real estate rescue alone.
We have 2 projects currently in progress with a gross realisation value of about $10.5 million. The expected profit from those is going to be probably around $1.8 million when they complete.
Since joining the Elite Mentoring program, we've acquired 6 properties with a total projected profit of close to $500,000.
I've done 2 deals, made around $240,000, and probably when I add the extra rental that's come in, it's another $70,000.
I've done 8 different deals, and from that I've made over $200,000.
The reason we joined DG Institute and the Elite Mentoring program was for opportunities that may not have come along without being part of that community. Things like networking, joint venture partners, money partners, and the confidence to take the leap into doing this full time.
Would I recommend this to anybody? Absolutely. You have to understand what mentoring can do for you. It'll take you 2 to 3 years to achieve what you can with Elite Mentoring within 3 to 6 months with a coach.
I would highly recommend this program to people who really want to not just take your real estate rescue business to the next level and gain financial freedom, but also people who want to expand themselves on personal level so you can actually explore what else is out there for your life.
And it's one of the most exciting programs we've been involved in, especially when you've got a good coach that kicks you up the backside all the time. Yes.